Hello! Video about an emergency engine start of Toyota Camry 2017 with the Toyota Lexus Smart Key Programmer TKP 3.0. This is the Toyota Lexus Smart Key Programmer TKP 3.0. This is the tested car Toyota Camry 2017. Press the Start-Stop button. The display shows the absence of a key in the passenger compartment. Flashing the LED on the center console panel indicates that the car anti-theft system is on. Connected via OBD2 connector, programmer bring to the driver's door handle. Select the check mode in the menu and click on the programmer button. We see that the car anti-theft system is off and the doors are unlocked. Select Connection in the menu and go to the option Bring to the button. Bring the programmer to the Start-Stop button. The dashboard shows that the ignition was switched on. Press the brake pedal and start the engine. Engine started. Open and close the driver's door and see on the dashboard a message about the lack of a key in the passenger compartment. Turn off the ignition and press on the Start-Stop button. The engine does not start. Again, bring the programmer to the Start-Stop button. Ignition is on and engine is started. Let's go. Thanks for watching.